Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shiraz and welcome to this breakdown tutorial. Today we'll see how I created these renders and you guys can get this blend file from my Patreon account. So let's get started. So I modeled this simple model, then added a plane and changed principal BSDF to glossy BSDF and decrease the roughness to 0. This will give us a mirror look. Also, I changed the color to kind of sky texture. After that, I added these lemons from Blender Kit. These are free models. You just have to type lemon here and you guys gonna get your models. Okay. After that, I added this leaf. This leaf I downloaded from Sketchfab. You guys gonna get this one free. And shout out to the creator for this free model. Also, I added this slice of lemon. For this texture, I simply applied the texture of this half cut lemon to this cylinder and you will wrap it according to that. Last but not least, I added these two planes which works as a cloud. I also find them on Blender Kit. You just have to type clouds here and you guys gonna get these models for free. And for lighting, I used sky texture as HDRI. These are the values. Just copy or play with these values according to your liking as you wish. So for this render, once again, I downloaded this rock from Blender Kit. Go and search it out. For this green line texture, I downloaded an image from Google. You just guys have to search for slices or green line slices and apply this image on your models and you will wrap it. And this wooden piece I downloaded from Sketchfab. You guys just have to search for this title. This model is also free and shout out to the creator for this detail model. Also, I did a plane for this water texture. I already have a tutorial on this water texture, so go and check it out. And for lighting, I just changed the sun rotation from 140 to 333. Also, I did a little bit of color grading in Photoshop for both of my renders. And yeah, that's it for today's breakdown tutorial. I hope you guys gonna love it and see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.